So here I just want to make a quick video to show you what happens when we need additional documents, or sometimes we have an incomplete on a document that we've uploaded. So for example, this is a property that was input nameless road, and we've got a couple of things that we uploaded all the documents. So everything was in a sort of a pending status. And then all the ones that are in green, you can see those have already been completed. And the ones that are in purple, or this sort of purple color, are incomplete. So what's going on here? Well, that means that we uploaded the document, but they need more information. So here it says clarify what role the individual listed as seller. So the problem, this is an issue where, and actually you can go in here and you can type a message and save it, and you can see a list of the typed messages by clicking on this right here, this triangular icon, and that will let you know. It says, so is Debbie an executor? If so, the seller is the estate unless she is an heir. That's what they're saying. Clarify what role. So what I'll do, I think the way we can do that is we can go back to the listing, and this is tricky because the seller is deceased. The seller has died, and so now the owner of the property is it's been willed to someone else. So even though we have the seller listed as Kirby Franks and Billy Dale Franks, they are deceased. So we might need to change the seller, but the purpose of this video is just to show you that sometimes there's additional information needed. So that's what this is about. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to check right here, see where it says seller is a trust, company, or other entity. So that's what we want to check. And we're going to hit edit, and we're going to click that one. And estate of Billy Dale Franks. Okay, so now we're going to just put it as the estate of, and then we'll save that. All right, now let's go back to the checklist again, and I'm going to go ahead and put in a note here. Yes, the seller is an estate, and Debbie is the executor. Okay, I'm going to save that. And now you can see that there is another note now, a new note from me. It says, yes, the seller is an estate and Debbie is the executor. That's it. Now, here it says, agent's info missing on name line. So let's look at that, see what's going on. Now, what will happen is you can hover over any of these paper clips and it will bring up the document. Now, if you click on the paper clip, it will want to download the document. So it's saying that my name is missing here. So that was just inadvertently not put in. So I'm going to go ahead and fix that. That can be really fixed in any PDF software. And if you have a Mac, makes it even easier. All right, so that is the information there. Let me know if you can fix this document. Just need to type in my name there and just re-upload it. All righty, hope this helps.